Hey, Chris here, and I just wanted to go over a couple things on your FreshHope website. So I am on a PC right now, and this is the first time I look at the page. And I took a screenshot, and as you can see on Internet Explorer on the right, it shows up. And then on Internet Explorer on the left, it also shows up for me. Chrome on the left and Internet Explorer on the right. So it is working. I'm not missing anything, and I can still type into the back end. So I'll just show you. So I subscribed, and now I can view the site. To log into the back end of your site, you just go to freshhope.us /wp-admin, and that'll take you to the back end of your site, and then you'll log in with your username and password, which I'll send you. And then once you get into the back end of your site, it's how it was before. So the newsletter sign up that we just entered our content into will be under layered pop-ups, and it would be under subscribers. So you can see that all these people just signed up. So that's good. I mean, I'm not sure if you asked them to, but they all signed up. And then what you would do is you would go over to the right and click on CSV export, and you save that, and then you upload that into your whatever it was you were using for your newsletters. And then you're also able to delete them just by clicking on the delete. You can click delete all. So once you've exported them, you can delete them all, and export them, upload them, make sure they upload, and once they've uploaded and they're confirmed in your newsletter, you can then delete them all. But you can see the one that I just did showed up here, but you've got a bunch of them, so that's good. I'm not sure if you asked them or what. And now to edit it, it's not as easy as editing content on the site, but you can just by clicking on pop-ups. And this is the one here. And to preview it, you can click on this preview button, and it'll automatically open a new window, and it'll show you a preview of it. Or you can click on edit, and when you go to edit it, it's got a bunch of different layers in it to make it look like that. So for example, the background, if you clicked on edit that, this is the content, is the image background, and you can give it size and all kinds of stuff like that. So if you're not comfortable with that, it's okay. You can just ask me to do it or whatever. Then we have your email inputs and a submit button and a close icon, and it gives you a bunch of options down here. Yeah, it's pretty sophisticated, but yeah, that's how you use it. Some things you're going to want to avoid, I will maybe hide, just simply for if you, for example, were fooling around. This Genesis is the parent theme. So if you were accidentally messing around in here for some reason, or you had someone else in there and they accidentally clicked this reset option, your whole site would basically be deleted. But we can get more into that. But I wanted to show you the thing. So if you had viewed your pop-up already, and you click on pop-ups, then your options will be available for settings. Now you've got, this is the one that's enabled. It shows only once, and there's a delay of 3 seconds. I'm going to change that to 2. Now, if you want to reset your cookie so that everyone sees it again, or you changed it, you can press reset cookie, and then you'll see it again. Everyone will see it again for the first time. You can have it show every time or once per session. So when somebody's on this site, yeah. So if I reset the cookie right now, then everyone will be able to see it again, and then they'll have to all close it. And that's under setting That's under layered pop-ups, settings, and reset cookie. And your subscribers are under subscribers. Your contact form is here. And the mailing list one, again. Okay, so on the Fresh Hope site, if we go to join our mailing list, now on this page we've got the address of this mailing list, and we have a contact form. So this join our mailing list is supposed to be the same as the pop-up one, but the problem is we have to use two different technologies for that, and they're not interconnectable. So from there, under your forms, you have your mailing list. There's 0 entries right now. Then you have your contact us form, and there's 1 entry. So if you want to just view your entries, you can click on entries. And you can switch your forms up on the top right from the contact us and mailing list one. And you can view it. So this is the entry that somebody I'm interested in, something I'm not sure. And you'll also get an email notification saying that somebody contacted you, and all the same information will be there, but it also saves it on the website. And if you had a bunch of people who signed up on your mailing list in the sidebar of your contact page, they would all be there. And then for doing that, you can go to, let's see, no. Maybe import export. There we go. Yeah, so you go to your mailing list. You can select all your fields, but you don't need them all. You just need your name and email address. These are just hidden. And then you pick your start date range and your end date range, and you export your entries. And you download the export file, and that's the same as the as if you were doing the layered pop-up ones for the subscribers. We're just because your form is not compatible with these on your newsletter sign-up, we have 2 of them. To edit your forms, like say you wanted to add some more fields to your contact form, click on edit, and you just see here that we've got these form fields, and you can add more just by clicking like a single line or paragraph. When you add it, it'll drop it down below there, and you can set your just for example, let's say you wanted to add a cell phone number one. So you click on single line, you come here, drag it up underneath the phone number, you click on this arrow thing, and then you type in cell number, for example, and if you want it to be required, you click required. Then there's some advanced settings that you can go through. But yeah, if that's how you want it, and you can close it to delete it. So yeah, it's pretty easy to add forms. Yeah, so I think what I'll hide is maybe the theme settings and the appearance settings. But other than that, you should be okay. Your slider, I think I went over that. Your slider on the home page is down here under Revolution slider. And you have your home slider, so you can edit your slides. And you've got these 4 here. And if you want to create a new one, just click on New Slide. Or it might even be easier just to click on Duplicate and then to add in a new image, so that you don't have to worry about any of the settings that are in there, because they're all set up right now. So just click Duplicate, add your new image, and update. And for example, when I click Duplicate, it says slide duplicated successfully, and there it is. And then you can go in and edit your slide. And then you would want to go down to here, and where it says background image, you'd want to change that to a new one, and then just click save. And save is down at the bottom, update slide, I mean. So yeah, you would change your image, and then update slide. Then if you want to delete some slides, you can just click delete slide. Slide deleted successfully, and we're back to our form. So that's basically it for that. So I will create a user for you, and I will email it to you. And then if you're okay with it, I will just hide a couple of these areas so that nothing gets overwritten. You don't have to stare at this whole thing all the time. You don't have to try and figure out what everything is. That's usually what I do for people.